Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to tie an unconventional bridal gele. The base of this gele is a round base and you're going to make 6 to 7 pleats. Place in front of your head, cross at the back. Ensure that your pleats are properly arranged. After that, you take 4 pleats and cross over, so just watch carefully. Now when you're done, you go ahead to pin. Then you continue making more pleats, so just watch carefully, and this way you're going to place it on top of each other, just like when you want to do your round gele. That's how you're going to do it. When you're done with that, then you start lifting it up, just as seen. You see this, when you're now done raising it up, you give it to your assistant to hold. If you're making use of a mannequin head, you pin it down. Then you go ahead to the other flap and make 4 pleats and pin. So just watch carefully. Once you're done pinning, you proceed to repeat the same thing on the other flap. On this one, you go ahead to make pleats on top of each other. When you're done with that, ensure that you extend the pleats to the end of the flap. Then you go ahead to twist it in form of a rose. So just watch and see how I do it. When doing your rose, you can make it big or you can make it small. But for me, I'm going to reduce it so that it's going to be the same size with the height of the gele. So you can do as seen, or you can increase yours or even make it smaller. Just do as your spirit lead. Now when you're done making your rose, you go over to the other flap. You take it from your assistant, arrange it properly and fold as seen, then you pin at the back and cover up. When you're done with that, you go ahead to make finishing touches and we are done with our gele. Our gele is 99% done. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. I'll see you in my next one. Check it out now. Beautiful model, beautiful gele. Bye guys.